I'm John with StallSavers, and today we're going to show you how to patch a hole in your liner. What you're going to need is a propane torch, a utility knife, and I use a roller, but it's not necessary. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and take your hole here and square it off, and then cut a patch that is bigger than the square that you had cut. You're going to take your patch, fold it underneath your liner, so that way it is easier to unfold, and make sure that you have good coverage and overlapping on all sides of the hole so that way you have good penetration and weld for strength. Take your torch, it doesn't take very long, heat in the middle of both and apply pressure, and then just repeat on all sides. And there you have it. Easy, simple way to patch your StallSaver.